Do you want to make your house more comfortable, breathe easier, or sleep better? One of those tiny yet powerful gadgets that can significantly enhance your everyday life is a humidifier. The proper humidifier can drastically alter the ambiance of any space, from alleviating congestion and dry sinuses to hydrating skin and even promoting the growth of your plants. Whether you're looking for a strong whole house solution, a sleek multi-purpose device with scent and mood lighting capabilities, or a whisper quiet sleep companion, we've compiled the best solutions for every need in this guide. With their clever designs, useful features, and low maintenance requirements, these humidifiers make it easy to have a more comfortable, healthy, and refreshing home throughout the year. Bid farewell to arid air and welcome to coziness. Number 7. Canopy Bedside Humidifier. One of those minor improvements that subtly changes your room is the Canopy Bedside Humidifier 2.0. It features several smart enhancements, including a significantly quieter fan that won't disturb your sleep and a revamped filter system. It is more than just a humidifier. With its integrated white noise, gentle sleep light, and convenient reading light, it practically serves as a soothing bedroom companion. If you don't want to regularly refill it, its 2.5-liter tank provides up to 36 hours of steady wetness. The mold-inhibiting clever airflow is what really sets it apart. The humidifier continues to run until everything is totally dry rather than letting water sit inside. This eliminates concerns about accumulation, unpleasant odors, or undetected muck. By capturing dust, minerals, and other particles before moisture is released into the air, the UV light and antimicrobial filter assist in keeping the mist clean. Cleaning is also surprisingly easy. The majority of pieces can be placed directly in the dishwasher, and washing things down is made simple by the wide tank opening. Benefits from regular use include fewer dry skin days, calmer sinuses, and a cozier environment overall. It's particularly beneficial if you have cold symptoms, allergies, or simply desire more hydrated skin. No gadget is flawless, of course. Because it is evaporative, the moisture output feels softer than mist-style humidifiers, but it still requires frequent filter cleaning. However, this one offers a truly pleasant, low-maintenance experience for anyone looking for a quiet, clean, wellness-focused alternative that fits into a bedroom or workplace. Number 6. AERZY 5-gallon Smart Humidifier. Anyone who wants strong whole-house moisture without having to watch over the machine all the time can use the AERZY 5-gallon Smart Humidifier. Its enormous 5-gallon tank and extraordinarily powerful 1000 ml/h mist output are what instantly stands out. This makes it an excellent set-it-and-forget-it choice for dry seasons or huge places because it can easily manage vast areas up to 28,000 square feet and run for up to 60 hours. Additionally, it has a ton of clever features that make daily use simple. Whether you're checking humidity, altering mist levels, or setting a timer, you can do it all with an app, the remote, or the touch panel. In order to prevent wet flooring and soggy furniture, the long spray pipe and auto-rotating 180-degree nozzle help spread the moisture evenly. It's particularly helpful if you're seeking to protect wooden objects around your house or keep plants happy. The redesigned 6-wheel base and integrated grips make moving the device surprisingly simple, which is remarkable given its size. Your room will feel cozy and soothing thanks to the scent tray and gentle 7-color ambient lighting, which creates a spa-like atmosphere. Naturally, there are a few minor trade-offs associated with the size and power. Because of its big tank, it is heavier when full and requires more room than standard humidifiers. Additionally, you should be careful not to put essential oil straight into the tank. Overall, this humidifier is a reliable choice for anyone who requires significant humidifying power in a large room or an entire house because it offers powerful performance, intelligent controls, extended runtime, and genuinely even coverage. Number 5. Dreo 4-liter Humidifier. One of those straightforward, manageable appliances that subtly improve your room is the Dreo 4-liter Humidifier. Because of its large 4-liter tank, which can run for up to 36 hours, it requires fewer refills and provides more reliable comfort, particularly at night. Its 28 dB ultra-silent performance makes it suitable for bedrooms, nurseries, and anybody seeking quiet sleep without the buzz or hum that some humidifiers produce. The way it disperses moisture is just remarkable. It creates a tall, light mist that disperses throughout the space without creating puddles or wet furniture because of the dual intake mechanism and a broader mist output. The tiny 5 particles contribute to even humidity, which is beneficial for skin hydration, breathing, and even the health of plants. It's surprisingly easy to use. You may pour water right in without removing anything or creating a mess, thanks to the top-fill design. Because the parts disassemble easily, cleaning is also simple. Additionally, it is a 3-in-1 gadget that provides a gentle ambient night light to establish the scene, a cold mist, and subtle aromatherapy support. There are certain trade-offs, of course. The supplementary cartridges required to improve the quality of the mist or lessen limescale are not included and must be purchased separately. Larger spaces may require something stronger, even if it works well in medium-sized rooms. Nevertheless, this humidifier offers a well-rounded, user-friendly experience that readily fits into any home for daily comfort, quiet operation, and easy maintenance. Number 4. Homvana 3.6-liter humidifier. For your desk or bedroom, the Homvana 3.6-liter humidifier is an excellent choice if you're looking for something straightforward, calming, and multi-purpose. It gives you 3 useful features in a little package: a cool mist humidifier, an aroma diffuser, and a gentle mood light. It can run for up to 34 hours with a 3.6-liter tank, so even on long nights or hectic days, you won't need to continuously check the water levels. Its quietness is one of its best qualities. For babies, light sleepers, or anyone who has trouble with noise at night, Homvana's silent spray technology keeps the noise level as low as 23 dB. The display totally shuts off when you enter sleep mode, which contributes to its serene and distraction-free atmosphere. It is BPA-free and features an automated shutoff to avoid any hazards from dry running, demonstrating that safety is also a top consideration. It feels really practical to use. If you use your humidifier daily, the wide top fill hole and detachable water tank make cleaning and refilling simple and mess-free. You may experience aromatherapy without a separate diffuser thanks to the integrated essential oil pad, and the fragrance softly permeates the space. Naturally, very large places might not receive the same coverage because it works best in smaller to medium-sized rooms. Even while the mood light is a wonderful addition, many who like a simple setup could feel that it is superfluous. Nevertheless, this humidifier provides a comfortable and user-friendly experience that blends in perfectly with any environment thanks to its silent operation, simple maintenance, and calming functions. Number 3. JRD 8-liter humidifier. Anyone looking for robust, long-lasting moisture control without having to regularly replenish the tank should consider the JRD 8-liter humidifier. It is perfect for bedrooms, spacious living areas, and even professional settings because of its remarkable 8-liter capacity and ability to run for up to 40 hours at a time. One major benefit is the top-fill design, which minimizes messy spills and makes refilling simple and quick. During dry seasons, its mist output can reach 300 milliliters per hour, covering areas up to 500 square feet and relieving discomfort, congestion, and dry skin. Its AI mode is among its most intelligent features. It monitors the moisture content of the space using the external humidity sensor and automatically modifies the mist production to provide a comfortable atmosphere. Additionally, you can manually change your chosen humidity in tiny 5% intervals, ranging from 40 to 90%. It's simple to adjust the humidity for varying room sizes or individual tastes with 10 distinct mist levels. Moreover, safety aspects are carefully considered. The device has a child lock and dry burn prevention, making it ideal for homes with children or pets. It shuts off when the target humidity is reached or the water runs low. It is appropriate for usage at night since, despite its power, it operates softly at about 35 dB. Everyday use is made even easier by the included timer, remote control, and easily cleaned parts. The drawback is that it takes up more room due to its size, and cleaning such a large tank takes a little more work. However, it is a dependable option for anyone requiring reliable, adjustable humidification in a bigger room or whole home configuration due to its stability, robust performance, and intelligent controls. Number 2. Everlasting Comfort 2.5-liter humidifier. For daily use, the Everlasting Comfort 2.5-liter humidifier is a fantastic choice if you're looking for something straightforward, efficient, and manageable. Whether you use it in a bedroom, nursery, office, or even next to your plants, it offers 3 mist levels: low, medium, and high, so you can precisely control the moisture. It provides a consistent cold mist that relieves congestion, dry skin, and overall dryness all year long despite its small size. The top fill design of this type is one of the best features. The large hole makes cleaning easy and quick, and you can pour water directly in without taking the tank out. It feels sturdy and secure due to its BPA-free material and leak-proof construction. It's simple to set and forget with a 24-hour runtime and timer options for 2, 4, or 8 hours. Additionally, if you like to run it overnight, the auto shutoff feature gives peace of mind by activating when the water level drops. It functions as an aroma diffuser as well. With 8 different LED light colors, you may add essential oil straight into the tank to create a peaceful atmosphere that is ideal for working, unwinding, or putting kids to sleep. Because of the ultrasonic technology's extremely low noise level, neither your workspace nor your night will be disturbed. Naturally, the 2.5-liter tank makes it ideal for tiny to medium-sized spaces, and it will require more frequent refills than a large-capacity humidifier. However, it provides excellent convenience, calming features, and dependable performance for a small device, all in an easy-to-use and maintain design. Number 1. AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier. One of those gadgets that feels useful as soon as you switch it on is the AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier. It is ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or any area where you desire relaxation without disturbances because of its ultrasonic technology, which emits a soothed, cool mist silently. You can mist continuously for a long time without regularly refilling because of the 2.2-liter water tank, which is surprisingly spacious for its size. The 360-degree spinning nozzle is one of its most notable features. The mist can be directed just where you want it, across a wider area, onto your bed, or toward your plants. Depending on how dry your room feels, you may choose a mild stream or a greater flow thanks to the easy-to-use control dial. Additionally, you don't need to linger over it or worry about it running empty because it features an automated shutoff option. The unit's filter-free design makes maintenance refreshingly simple, requiring fewer parts to be replaced and less total care. The silent operation with no humming, buzzing, or crackling, just serene wetness in the air is another significant benefit. Every gadget has advantages and disadvantages, of course. The adjustable mist direction gives versatility, and the extended runtime and silent performance are significant advantages. However, because it is a cool mist humidifier, it might not be as effective at warming cold rooms as warm mist units, and the top fill style would have made refilling even simpler. Nevertheless, it's a good, user-friendly option for everyday comfort, ease of usage, and consistent wetness. It's evident from looking at our top choices that the ideal humidifier can drastically change any area. From living rooms and offices to bedrooms and nurseries, there is a model to fit any demand, whether you desire scent diffusion, lengthy runtimes, whisper-quiet operation, or smart controls. These humidifiers, which range in size from small bedside companions to potent whole-room models, make it simple to breathe better, sleep comfortably, and maintain healthy skin and plants. Invest in a humidifier that complements your area and way of life to avoid letting dry air depress you. Are you prepared to breathe cleaner, more comfortable, and healthier air? See which of these well-regarded humidifiers best suits your home's relaxation and wellness requirements.